In this video, I will be showing you how to create an invitation card in Canva. Let's get started. First, I head over to the main search bar on the Canva homepage and type in wedding invitation. As I type, Canva shows several helpful suggestions below, but I go ahead and search directly to view all the template results. I scroll down through the template gallery to browse the various layout options and styles, then click on the See All button to open the complete collection. From here, I select the option to start with a blank design canvas so we can build our layout using Canva's smart generative features. Once the main editor loads up, I navigate over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Canva AI tool icon. This opens up the Magic Studio prompt panel, where we can describe our ideal design concept in detail. I click inside the text input box that says, Describe your idea, and type out, Create a tropical beach wedding invitation. Then, I hit the arrow button to submit the prompt and begin the generation process. Canva AI immediately gets to work generating a custom design from scratch, showing step-by-step progress updates as it prepares the layout, maps out design elements, gathers ideas, and polishes all the fine visual details. In just a few moments, the generated layout appears right on our blank canvas, complete with a vibrant tropical beach background, elegant floral accents, and pre-formatted text placeholders ready for editing. Now that our AI-generated design is placed on the canvas, I start customizing the personal details. First, I double-click on the bride's top name placeholder and replace Olivia with Sarah. Next, I select the middle text field and update it to Thomas. Moving down to the groom's name section, I select James and type in Arthur. Then, I update the last name text below it to Wills. With all the main names updated, I make a quick adjustment to the text box placement and font alignment to ensure everything looks neat, balanced, visually appealing, and perfectly legible against the tropical background scene. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create invitation card in Canva.